Listen to the sound. This is the definition of a spaceship. Whoa! I just love the red one on this as well. Is this a real AMG? The badge says yes, but the heart says no. But with a Mercedes, this is essential. Let's stick back with the blue color. So hello guys and welcome to another video today featuring the EQS, but not a normal one. Here we have the EQS53 AMG. For the first time ever we will be driving it. Guys, look at this. When you start up this car, you have an animation. Finally a new headlight animation. I mentioned it a lot of times. I always told you Audi is ahead of Mercedes Benz when it comes to headlight and opening animations, and now we have a new one with the EQS53. We are sitting inside this right now, and I mean, there's not a lot to add to this beautiful ambient lighting. We have the start-stop button over here. Let me just press it once, and we have the hyper screen turning on. We have the head-up display also up now, and this car is ready to drive. It's also my first drive with the EQS53 AMG in specific. I've already driven the EQS, and to be honest guys, I'm a huge EQS fanboy, but I'm not really sure about the EQS AMG. Therefore, we will be doing a full drive. We will experience it together, and then I will finish it off with a resume, okay? We will be doing a night drive. Therefore, have a closer look at the animation, at all the lights and the ambient. It's just beautiful, okay? Let's just go ahead and start it up. I mean, as soon as you have the foot on the brake, push the start-stop button once. You just have a notification and this sound letting you know that the car is ready to drive. I have the key here, but I will be putting it inside the storage compartment over here, which is huge. You have a lot of space. This is something I love about the EQS in specific. If you, for example, compare it with the S-Class, you have a lot of space here. You have a lot of space down under here where I just have my bag, and also inside here a lot of space, which is not comparable with the normal S-Class, where it's not as spacious as inside the EQS. Let's just start the drive, and then we will be talking more about this. Let me just put the seat belts on, guys. We will be also switching it to Sport Plus later, and also try a few ambient light colors. And as we have the rear axle steering on this, I can easily make this turn with this humongous ship, guys. The full electric EQS. Something in specific that I love is like bright interiors. Here we have the Neva gray interior, and in addition to that a brownish leather tone. I'm not sure about the name, but it looks extremely good. My heart is always in love with these kind of bright and beige interiors, and it looks absolutely beautiful. In addition with the hyperscreen. Talking about the hyperscreen first, guys, it's just, I think 145 centimeters long, the entire unit here. We have 3 separate displays, also one for the co-driver for the first time ever, Mercedes vehicles. It's definitely a game changer, and if you compare the EQS combustion S-Class with the electric S-Class, I mean, the interiors are just so different, and I just love the look of the EQS. And guys, let's just go ahead and switch this car to Sport Plus, and now listen, okay? Just listen to the sound. Do you hear that? As soon as you put the car into Sport Plus, let me just switch it back. With comfort, you have no sound. It's balanced, as you can see here. And as I switch it to Sport Plus, it's powerful. And you have a very nice feedback when driving. It sounds way more, it sounds way sportier than the normal drive. You hear that? And even crazier when you go like full throttle. Can't demonstrate you that right now, but it's very interesting. Honestly, it's super interesting on that one. All in all, I love the feel. Guys, it's comparable to a spaceship. This is the definition of a spaceship. The sound the look, the drive, there's literally a spaceship. I mean, crazy. Let's talk about one specific topic. What do you guys think? In your opinion, is this a real AMG? And there was one comment saying the badge says yes, but the heart says no. And I'm honest with you, I felt that one. Why? Because is this really an AMG? For me, it's just my personal opinion. For me, the entire EQS AMG thing, it's more like an AMG styling. I mean, it's just an upgrade, the interior and the exterior, which looks extremely good, guys. As you know, I'm a huge EQS fanboy, but do we need that? Okay, let's just talk about the EQS, the base EQS, making it electric. Okay, it's just an electric S-Class. Making it electric, why? Because it's way more comfortable. The electric drive is way more comfortable than a normal combustion engine. But do we need an electric S-Class AMG? Yeah, that's where we have a lot of split decisions. By the look, I am totally in it. I love it. You guys have to agree with me on that. I mean, the exterior and interior is just 10 times better than the base EQS. Yeah, performance-wise, it's just a bit faster, okay? For me, an AMG means sound. An AMG means emotions. And we don't have the emotions when driving, because I have different thoughts as a petrolhead. I welcome these kind of changes and like the look, but still not convinced about the entire EQ AMG thing. Okay, guys, how do you feel about that? Just leave it in the comment section below. I will just go a bit faster now and listen to that. Whoa, you heard that? I will just try to slow down and then push it back up. Unfortunately, we have a speed limit here. And listen now. As soon as I push the accelerator, you have this nice sound, okay? For example, if I go back to comfort and push the throttle, you have no sound at all, nothing. Just very comfortable drive. But with Sport Plus, you have a nice sporty feedback, which I like. Let's just change the ambient color light. There's also something very cool as, yeah, we are on a night drive right now. Let me just show you different colors. I just love the red one on this as well. Wow. Wow. The blue, red and the pink are my personal preferences. I just love the look of these. Also the pink one just looks amazing. Yeah, let's also go with green. How do you guys like the green one? And yeah, also for all the people saying it's too flashy, you have an option here. Yeah, the brightness, and you can set it to 0. But it doesn't look special at all. Wait, let me just go to 0. There we go. Guys, this doesn't look good. Honestly, the ambient light is an essential part of the interior, especially with Mercedes cars. If you don't like ambient colors and lightnings, just go and buy yourself a BMW, I don't know. But with a Mercedes, this is essential. Let's stick back with the blue color. All in all, guys, how do you like my first night drive inside the EQS53 AMG? Do you think this is a real AMG? We will be also driving this in the future. I will be demonstrating you the performance of this car on the German Autobahn. And then, I will show you what the EQS53 is all about. Hope you enjoyed this video. Looking forward to see you all again and wish you all an amazing day. I will be back.